John Hinrichs grew up working on his family farm in eastern South Dakota and understands an honest day's work. For the last 7 years, Magistrate Judge John Hinrichs has used that same work ethic and earned a reputation for being impartial and fair-minded. You see, he's a judge, not a politician. John is the only judge running in this race, the only candidate with judicial experience, known and respected by attorneys, law enforcement, and folks in the courtroom. Vote for John Hinrichs for Circuit Court. Paid for by John Hinrichs for Circuit Court.